Hello everyone, I'm back again with a new vlog to unfold a new story. Bye bye Siliguri. So this is the third day of our trip and me and Ma are training intentionally. From Siliguri we are heading to Merrick. Well, Merrick reminds me of one thing. When I was very small I have been here but of course I don't remember anything. Isn't it surprising as well as beautiful how we have been to hills so many times yet the excitement remains the same each and every time we visit a hill station? I mean, just look at it, the tea gardens, the tall trees, the roads, the turns. I mean, the mesmerizing beauty. सच में सुकून तो पहाड़ों में ही है एंड दिस जस्ट रिमाइंडेड मी ऑफ द पहाड़ी मोमोज. आपको पता है नाउ आई कैन नॉट इवन वेट टू हैव देम. वैसे आप लोगों को क्या पसंद है, हिल स्टेशन या बीच? माई डैड somehow enjoys driving more on the hills than in the city. किसी ने सही कहा है, सफर खूबसूरत मंजिल से भी. तो चले क्या? कहाँ? सफर का मजा लेने. सफर का मजा लेते लेते फाइनली वी हैव रीच्ड टू आवर होटल जगजीत. लेट्स गो इनसाइड. I'll definitely explore the hotel with you. The ambience is so nice already. Let's go and explore our room. Come along. भूख बड़ी तेज लगी है बाय द वे. जाएंगे खाने, पहले चाय पीते हैं. आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अब तक आप लोगों को पता चल ही गया होगा फ्रॉम माई पास्ट व्लॉग्स दैट आई एम अ टी लवर एंड सो आर दे. By now we were super hungry so we went for lunch and we also planned to visit the Merrick Lake. So yeah, we'll have to hurry. पता है इधर नीचे आते आते मैं अपनी माँ को बोल ही रही थी कि we are twinning but still didn't get a nice picture together. But then the unplanned turns out to be the best. Yeah, we did a photo shoot over here. होटल वाले प्रमोशन करवा रहे थे उस दिन और मैं फोटो शूट को कभी ना बोल सकती हूँ भला. We quickly checked out the menu and ordered some noodles and Merrick special mixed fried rice along with some chili chicken. We came back to our room and by now Papa was tired and he wanted to rest. तो मैं और माँ गए थोड़ा टहलने. बेस्ट पार्ट वॉज होटल से वॉक इन डिस्टेंस, मतलब बिल्कुल पास ही में था मेरिक लेक. बोटिंग का भी हम लोग सोचे मगर बारिश हो रही थी so we didn't go for it. We also clicked some pictures over here, asked random people to click our pictures. थोड़ी देर बाद पापा also joined us और इधर उधर घूमे and of course shopping is mandatory. बहुत सारा शॉपिंग किया. This place is so beautiful and has some sort of सुकून. तो चलिए देखते हैं क्या क्या किए इधर, क्या क्या देखे and most importantly how evening in Merrick looks like. करने के बाद we came back to our room around 5 and slept. It was constantly raining. When we woke up, it was 9:30 and still raining. We sort of had a plan to go out for our dinner, but since it was already very late and also it was raining, we quickly ordered our dinner, ate, and again went to sleep. Also, I have not changed my mind. I'm sleeping here. Good night to you all from Mirik. Good morning, people. New day begins and I'm super excited. पूछे क्यों? It's my parents' anniversary, so of course it's a special day. But it's still raining. We had a plan to stay here today as well, but some sudden office work came up for which we had to change our plan. Quickly had our breakfast फिर तैयार हो गए. I'm wearing the dress my mom gifted me yesterday. It's so pretty, na? We checked out and planned to go to Gopaldhara Tea Estate first and then moving back to Siliguri cause the network here isn't good due to बारिश. वैसे नेटवर्क चाहिए ही किसको? कभी कभी बिना नेटवर्क के जीना ही सुकून लाती है जिंदगी में. No phone calls, no internet. Gopaldhara Tea Estate. Finally, here we come. Look at the place. It's so beautiful, and the fog added an extra layer of beauty to the place, isn't it? We spent some time over there and took some pretty pictures as well. Then, unfortunately, it started raining and we had to get inside our car. So now there's no other plan, and we are hence heading towards Siliguri. वैसे बताइए जरा, इन वादियों में आप गाएंगे या हम गाएं? सिलीगुड़ी इज स्टिल 1 hour away. भूख लगी है गाइस, क्या करें? ऑफ कोर्स इट्स मोमो टाइम. अगर आप पहाड़ों में हो तो खाली मोमो खाने का बहाना ढूंढ लो. दैट्स द रूल. आ गया सिलीगुड़ी, पहुंच गए फाइनली हमारे होटल पे. लेट्स गो इनसाइड एंड चेक आउट हाउ इज इट. extremely tired, so you rush to our room for a nap. But let's quickly do a room tour. Come with me. After this, I shall see you in my next vlog, which is day 4, part 2. Yeah, it's coming soon. I promise to deliver my vlogs as fast as I can from now on. So, this is our room, which I found to be pretty aesthetic. इसके बाद हम लोग बैठ के थोड़ा चिल किए, थोड़ा खाना खाए. Then we watched an old film. तो बस अभी के लिए इतना ही. चलती हूँ आज, मिलते हैं शाम को. I'll come back with a new vlog. आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करेंगे how we celebrated the day together. Till then, stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.